Updating your primary email on Cash App is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is current and secure. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the Profile icon or the Account tab located in the upper right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Email. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Email or Email Address. Tap on it to proceed with updating your email. Step 4. Enter new email. Input your new primary email address in the provided field. Ensure that you enter it correctly to avoid any issues with account verification. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new email, you may need to verify it. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Cash App and follow the instructions to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on Cash App will be updated. Make sure to check your email regularly for any important notifications or updates from Cash App.